In this video, we'll talk about 4 different crypto projects that are about to go crazy in a short period of time. And I will suggest buying and holding these cryptos for big returns. So let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video, and before we dive into these 4 amazing crypto coins, I do want to let you know that all the links you will need for these cryptos will be down in the description. So if at any point you have questions or you want to check out the content after the video as well, definitely go check that out. So the first project and coin we will talk about is called Polygon. And Polygon is a cryptocurrency with the currency Matic, that's their coin, and also a technology platform that enables blockchain networks to connect and scale. So the Polygon platform operates using the Ethereum blockchain and connects Ethereum-based projects. And using the Polygon platform can increase the flexibility, scalability, and sovereignty of blockchain projects while still affording the security granted by Ethereum. So another word for this is a sidechain. That is also one of their main solutions to actually scale in a secure and reliable way. But apart from that, they also recently released the Polygon ZK EVM, which is a great project and a great product altogether, but also a sign of great development coming from the project. And they have a lot of new products already live right now, such as Polygon Supernet and Polygon ID, but very soon they will also have Polygon Maiden coming out as well, which will again be a revolutionary project launching. Polygon is already a huge chain. It's one of the 10 biggest crypto coins out there, and you can also see that in their ecosystem. They have a lot of decentralized applications in NFTs, real utility, centralized exchanges, games, social, you name them. They already have a huge ecosystem, but apart from that, that doesn't stop them from developing further with those solutions. So Polygon is definitely here to stay. They are still developing products, and their product and network is actually being used, and that's why their own coin called Matic again will be an amazing coin in the future. Now the next project we will talk about is called Cardano, and Cardano is a decentralized proof of stake blockchain. It's a layer 1 blockchain, whereas Polygon is a sidechain or layer 2, and it's designed to be more efficient alternative to proof of work networks. And Cardano's cryptocurrency, its own coin, is called ADA, and ADA is used in the blockchain's proof of stake consensus mechanism, and it's given as a reward for work done by the blockchain by users participating in the stake pool. So as I said, Cardano is a layer 1 blockchain or network on top of which you can either transact the ADA coin, but you can also build different decentralized applications and just applications on their network, like you can also do with Polygon. Cardano is really focused on research, and they do a lot more than just developing the blockchain. You can find out more about that on their website. So as I said earlier as well, some of the biggest points behind them are that they are for a sustainable future, and proof of stake is helping them do this. But apart from that, they also have a high standard in technology. They are really focused on research and developing their blockchain based on top of that research. And apart from that, it's just an amazing organization, which you can also see in the statistics on the network. For example, you can see that their total value locked, so basically the worth of their ecosystem and their network, has been in an uptrend for the last couple of months. Now usually that also increases the value and the price of the coin, and therefore I think Cardano is here to stay, and the ADA coin can be a great investment. Now the next project and coin we will talk about is LimeWire. So the LimeWire token is a utility token deeply embedded into the entire LimeWire ecosystem, and it's designed to provide a series of perks and benefits to holders, as well as to enhance the user experience across the LimeWire platform. So the LimeWire coin is LMWR, that's the abbreviation, and it's an ERC20 token, so it is based on the Ethereum blockchain, which again grants that security that the Ethereum blockchain gives. Now a little bit more about LimeWire itself. LimeWire is aiming to reshape the creator economy. So it's a platform for content creators, artists, and brands to create membership-based communities. That is what LimeWire is about, and that is also where their own token, again LMWR, plays a big role. So on this platform, creators can build recurring revenue streams by offering fans exclusive access to their community and journey as an artist. And this entire platform has been in development for a while right now. You can also read more about the platform, but also the team and partners they have on their website. Again, all the links will be down in the description. And very soon, on the 2nd of May, they are actually starting the public sale of their own token. token. So if you want to participate in that, if you are interested in that, check that out. And again, while you are on their website, you can also see that they are backed by some huge venture capitals. But apart from that, it also has a professional community and team behind it. Now, last of all, I wanted to talk about XRP. And XRP is a cryptocurrency and native token used by Ripple, which is another project. And like other cryptocurrencies in the marketplace, XRP has a currency code similar to Ethereum's Ether. So Ripple is interesting because it really focuses more on the institutions that are already in place in Web 2. So for example, as you can see on their website, some of the most well-known use cases are cross-border payments, which you can do with their own XRP coin, crypto liquidity, but also central bank digital currencies. So Ripple is more of a project and therefore also their own XRP coin focused on the banks and the financial institutions already in place. And that is a big reason why they could actually be one of the most successful projects. Now, right now, as you may know, Ripple and their XRP coin are in a lawsuit against the SEC, which is in itself not necessarily a great thing. But if they do win the lawsuit, it is expected that XRP will rise in value a lot. And therefore, it's just another potential bullish factor when you're buying XRP. Alright, so for now, those were the 4 projects I wanted to talk about. So now we reach the end of this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.